What are your thoughts on decentralized social media platforms, search engines, etc.? Yeah, they're all kind of decentralized. There's no main central repository online. They have hot sites and backups, and they use caching software from companies like Akamai, etc. So they are decentralized, so to speak, if you look at their infrastructure. But if you want, you can name individual companies. I'd be more than happy to give you my humble thoughts. In terms of search engines, there's Google and then there's everybody else. You know, kind of like in education tech, there's Udemy and everybody else is Bing, so to speak. But I do think that antitrust is going to break up Google very, very soon into several companies, because the second biggest search engine in the world is YouTube. And I think Google has too much monopoly power. So I think they're going to be broken up. And I think Google knows that, which is why they rebranded themselves as Alphabet years ago. They have a plan. In terms of, is it a good time to learn blockchain development? Only if you're passionate about programming. Do what you love doing and you'll be very successful. There's a brilliant man named Kirill who teaches you how to make a blockchain on Udemy. So take his course to learn how to do that. You can also take my course to learn about cryptocurrencies if you're interested. Yeah. In terms of, is blockchain the next industrial revolution? I think it's a big deal. I do. And what people don't realize, let me explain blockchain. So blockchain is kind of the core infrastructure for cryptocurrencies. And so whenever you mine a Bitcoin, for example, what happens is you get a reward for doing that, but that transaction is added to this digital ledger called blockchain. And so that's with Bitcoin. With other cryptocurrencies like Ethereum, so there's something called Ethereum, the ticker is ETH, and what runs on the Ethereum platform, the cryptocurrency, is called Ether, ETH. With Ethereum, it's not just about a blockchain to securely store transactions for the Ether cryptocurrency. It's so much more. It's about sharing information, kind of like DocuSign, but globally and more securely. So you have legal contracts can be in that blockchain, so to speak. You have election records as well. You have contracts when it comes to buying houses or any kind of legal contract you want, which is why I use the DocuSign analogy.